Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to play Spotify while playing Roblox. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you are using mobile device or any desktop device, just go ahead and watch this because the process is still the same. Okay? As long as you have the Spotify app and the Roblox app. Okay? So now let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Spotify. Then just go ahead and choose any music that you want. Okay. So I'm just gonna mute this because I'm recording, right? So that you can hear me. So now just go ahead and play the music that you want. And now just go ahead and open your Roblox. Okay, so just go ahead and choose any game that you want. But I already have mine here. So now, if you only want to hear the song from Spotify, I want you to do is to click on escape. Okay, and now just go ahead and click on settings. And you need to make sure that the volume is 0, okay? So that you can only hear the music from Spotify. So as you can see here, the music is still playing while I'm on the Roblox. Okay, so that's it. That is how you play Spotify while playing Roblox. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications. You won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.